Do a quick review on this little small cooler here. It's get those cans in here. It's hold like a 6-pack of cans. Throw in your golf bag on the golf cart or whatever. That's what I'll be using it for. To stay out cold all day. Also has a little zipper here. Throw your snacks in the back. It goes down about this far, so that way you don't have to worry about your snacks getting messed up by your drink if you get too wet. But also they'll stay a little cool just from the inside. Like I said, it hold 8 cans in there. Works really good. Got a handle. Got a strap here if you want to throw over your shoulder. Also has a couple, you can clamp it on here, clamp it onto your golf bag or whatever, slide it into your big part of your golf bag. I mean, I know some golf courses don't want you bringing drinks on, but you can throw it in your golf bag. They won't say a word if they don't know it. So, like I said, this whole 6 cans, soda, beers, whatever, so check it out. Works really good. I highly recommend it.